Hi everyone, I have some more nail mail to share with you guys. This company, Beautpal, has sent me their polygel kit to try out. So I'm going to unbox it here with you, and then in the next video I'll do swatches and then I'll try it out. I actually found this company from Kara. When I had COVID, Kara had bought me a gel polish kit from them that has like a cat eye topper and like nude jelly colors, and I absolutely love it. I fell in love. They're really great quality. I love their packaging too. Just the color and their writing, all of it. I love it. So this is me opening the polygel for the first time. It's really pretty. I absolutely love everything. Just the way everything looks is great. That card has like very basic instructions on it. So I would suggest maybe looking up, if you get this kit, maybe looking up a couple tutorials just so you can have a better insight on how to actually do the polygel nails. Now it also has two like layers. The top one is your polygels and your top gel polishes, and the bottom layer has your light and dual forms. So this kit came with a regular top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat, which I think is great. And I believe the size of the bottles are 7 mLs. So it comes with 10 different colors of polygel that you can see here. This one did come leaking a little bit. It's just a little bit around the top, so I'm not sure if I can salvage it. I'm going to check it out. I haven't fully opened it yet. But it comes with 10 different colors. They're mostly pinks and like nudes. And it comes with a white and a clear as well. So really good like natural colors. I like that because if you can always like paint them, you know. And they're pretty good size tubes too. I'm not really sure how much, you know, you need to do a full set, but I imagine you can get several sets out of it. At least 1 or 2 set out of each tube, I would assume. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait till I actually do it to find that out. But I do really like the colors. So this is the bottom layer. First you get your brush, and which is awesome. I don't actually have a brush like this yet, so I was really excited to get it. It looks like really good quality as well. On one side is your brush and the other side is your spatula. When I opened it, the tubey thing came off, so I just put it back. And then it also comes with 2 files. One's like more of a buffer, and the other one's like a little file. They're not very high grit though, and they're very bendy, so just be careful with them, I would say. They're not very strong. And those are the dual forms. It comes with a 120-piece set of dual forms. I have never used dual forms. When I made the press-ons, I did it on full cover tips. And you also get one of those little lamps. Now, that's okay for flash curing, but you will need a full-size lamp to fully cure the polygel if you do your nails with it. Do not just rely on the flash cure lamp, because you could end up with an allergy for under curing it, and you just don't want that. So then it also came with the little clippy things. I think those are to hold on the dual forms, and some slip solution. I've never used slip solution before. I've always used alcohol, so I'm excited to see if there's a difference. So that was everything in the box. Again, I will be posting swatches of the colors and then me trying it soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again, Beautpal. Bye.